hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.
Hi guys, welcome back to You and I. For today's video, we are going to be using the new ABH Norvina eyeshadow palette. It comes in 14 easy to blend matte duochrome metallic shades, and this is what they look like. They are all very beautiful. And to start off, of course, we are going to be using an eyeshadow primer. I am using the NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. I'm going to be honest, I did not like this eyeshadow base. I think this is my second time using it, and it hasn't really performed well. I'm going to give it one more chance. And of course, we're going to set the primer with the Loore Mercier translucent powder. And for the first shade, I am using the shade called Base, and I am applying it to the arch of the brow just to uplift the eye a little bit and brighten up that area. It's not that very bright, but it does a very good job, at highlighting that area, minimal highlight. I also applied it all over the lid with my Wet n Wild brush, and with that same brush I apply Incense all over the lid. And I'm going to tell you something. I lost this brush after filming this video, so I'm going to go and buy a replacement because this brush is amazing. Alright, now with a Smith 230, you're going to go back with that same shade, Incense, and apply it on the crease. And you're going to focus it on the outer corner of the crease and you're going to bring it in all the way to the inner corner of the crease, and you're going to have to repeat this process many times. What you want to do is you want to kind of intensify the color as well as blend it out. Make sure you blend out any harsh lines. You want to get rid of those harsh lines and form the shape that you want for your eye. You got to have patience with this. Using the Smith 253, I am applying the shade Soul to the inner corner of the lid, and you're going to have to reapply several times. I'm not using any concealer or any face mist to intensify the color. I want to show you what these shadows look like on their own. And using the same Smith 253, I applied the shadow, I can't pronounce this, Volatile on the outer corner of the lid. And same process, apply and reapply. And to blend out that color, I think this is a Smith 230. To darken the outer corner of the lid, I use a shadow Drama with the same Smith 253 brush. And then of course you blend it out with a brush. Again, I think this is the Smith 230 blending brush. I'm not even sure if it's a blending brush, but this is the Smith 230. I wasn't happy with the way the shade Drama looked, so to intensify the shade, I switched up the brush and I started using the e.l.f. concealer brush, and it really helped out. Again, just apply the shadow and then blend out. So here I am trying to use as many shades as possible, and I am using the shade Celestial, and I apply it to the center of the lid using the e.l.f. small smudge brush. I really didn't like how this brush was applying the color, so I switched it up to a Clinique concealer brush, and that brush did a very good job applying the shadow to the center of the lid. Alright, we're going to start applying color to the lower lash line, and we're going to be using the color Incense with the brush Chanel number 33. And we just focus it on the outer corner of the lower lash line. And we go in and blend it out with a Smith 256 brush. Using the Smith 253, we're going to apply Eccentric to the inner corner of the lower lash line. And again, apply and reapply and keep blending out. For the inner corner of the lower lash line, we're going to be using the IT brush from Ulta, the number 125. And we're going to apply Dreamer. Did I already say we're going to apply Dreamer? We apply Dreamer. And we're also going to apply Dreamer to the very inner corner, bring it up for that little pop, that little glow. And we're going to use also this other shade called Wild Child with one of my new favorite brushes. It is a e.l.f. brush. I forgot the name of it, but it's a very detailed brush. And here I am doing the rest of my makeup, and this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and until next time, thank you. Bye.